Ready? Okay, cool. Okay, so what does college mean to you?
College means to me it's a very freedom of expression.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'd probably drop education. I'd go, I'd get a job, and I think that'd be for the worst. I think that education really teaches you a lot of stuff about life. It prepares you for the real world.
Yeah, so if college wasn't an option, if it wasn't something that I could do, then I would have to end up working full-time, struggling to pay for childcare. I wouldn't be in a job that I particularly wanted to do and struggling to fit in childcare around the school holidays and things like that as well. So it's given me the opportunity to be able to have the holidays off and still be able to work as well.
Well, the fact that I'm studying what I really like is surely going to help me because I'm focusing on things that would be useful for me, and learning English will help me to get a job maybe abroad.
Personally, I believe that when you go to college, that's like the thing you want to do when you leave, and like the social side of it as well. Like, I've met so many nice people here and everything like that, so it's just really nice overall.
I don't think that I'd be doing much because college gives you the mentality to be able to get up in the mornings and go to be productive. So I think it's important, and also it allows you to make new friends and be more sociable than just sitting in a room, I suppose.
As well, the chance to make real friends that have lasted me for many years now.
I think it's really fun being with your friends the whole time and doing one course that you wanted to do instead of in school you having to do other subjects that maybe you weren't as interested in. So it's nice just to focus and hone in on one subject.
It's so much better. It's just there's way much more freedom and individuality, and you can do your own thing but the teachers are still really helpful, and I don't know, you're not told what to do as much, you're kind of hinted, but it's still, especially because I'm doing creative subjects, we given guidelines but then we completely take it in our own hands, so there's no kind of given structure or anything, you can just do whatever, and it's just a lot more free and individual. Yeah.
It's good, it's a really nice environment. It's a place where you're so much more independent than state school, but you still get guidance from the teachers and help you through the course and what to do, and there's a lot more freedom, it's a lot more casual, while still they put the pressure more on you to do the work, so it's up to you if you're gonna do well, and which obviously most students do.
I think it's just preparing me more because obviously I want to go to drama school, and I think this is just the heads up before I go, to prepare me about auditions and stuff like that. It's been really good here.
But I honestly believe that being in college gives you a lot more experience and you have a lot more knowledge, especially with going on a placement. You learn a lot more because you have to then think about the placement and all the health and safety aspects of it.
If I wasn't at college, I'd probably just be working somewhere, but I wouldn't get the knowledge or skills I'm learning at college. So I'd probably just be doing an average job, 9 to 5, during the week. I wouldn't be doing anything major, and with coming to college, it's giving you the opportunity to be able to say, when I finish, okay, well I've got options now to do an apprenticeship or to go and do uni. I've got that option, and if I was just to go into straight work, I wouldn't have the same opportunity as I'm getting from college.
I'm really enjoying these 2 years. I think they've been the best 2 years of education that I've had throughout my life so far. The reason being because this place they offer you so much support. The teachers are really here to get the best for you, and I think that's the best thing for students, because at this age it can be hard to stay motivated with everything else going on social-wise, but having them to keep your head focused is really good to make sure you can achieve the best that is possible for you.
Because I feel education is a key to success.